Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a foaming face wash for oily and acne prone skin. This is a very gentle cleanser that can be used daily, and it is fairly simple to make. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin making this foaming face wash, I will be adding some witch hazel hydrosol to my beaker. Now, witch hazel is really good. It helps to purify and soften the skin, and it's a great astringent as well. Next, I will be adding some rose hydrosol. This helps to balance and control any excess oil production while leaving the skin feeling smooth and hydrated. I want to add some more moisture to this face wash, so I'll now be adding some glycerin. This is excellent for oily skin. It is lightweight and does not clog the pores. I now am going to go ahead and add my surfactant. I have chosen to go with cocoa glucoside. This is a very gentle cleansing agent. It does not clog the pores, which makes it great for oily and acne-prone skin. This next ingredient is a must. It is a preservative, and I am choosing to use Liquid Dermal Plus. This is great to be used in shampoos, body and shower gels, along with facial cleansers. To ensure that this foaming face wash has appropriate pH levels, I went ahead and used my pH strips, and as you can see here, it is within range, so everything is good. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and pour these ingredients into my foaming bottle. I find that this formula is very soothing on the skin and doesn't leave that dry, tight sensation on your face. So here's what the finished product looks like. As you can tell, it foams up really nice, and of course it does produce a nice lather as well. As always, here's the formula and substitutions for this foaming face wash. When it comes to the cocoa glucoside and witch hazel hydrosol, there are none. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.